Have you ever wondered what subtle morning habits might pose serious risks to your health, especially as you age? Today, we'll dive into the story of Mr. Hung, a 70-year-old man from a tranquil countryside village. Known for his seemingly healthy lifestyle, Mr. Hung exercised daily and lovingly tended to his vegetable garden. Yet one beautiful morning while he was gardening, he suddenly collapsed, an unexpected tragedy that shocked his family and serves as a powerful reminder. Even those who appear to take great care of their health can fall victim to hidden dangers. In this video, we'll uncover 3 critical morning habits that elderly individuals should avoid to safeguard their health. Trust us. Watching until the end could make all the difference for you or your loved ones. These small but impactful changes can help prevent serious health risks and promote a longer, healthier life. Before we begin, if you enjoy this video, please hit the like button to help us spread these valuable lessons. If you haven't already, consider subscribing and turning on the bell notification so you won't miss any future insights. And to help us improve, leave a comment below. Type 1 if you liked the video or 0 if you didn't. Your feedback means a lot to us. Now let's get started. Mr. Hung, a 70-year-old man, lived a peaceful life in a rural village. Like many seniors, he was mindful of his health, starting each day with morning exercise and tending to his garden. His family admired the healthy routine he maintained. But one fateful morning, tragedy struck. While working in his garden, Mr. Hung collapsed suddenly and passed away due to a stroke. His untimely death made everyone reflect. No matter how careful we are, certain habits, especially in the morning, can pose unforeseen risks. That's why in today's video we'll discuss 3 things seniors should never do immediately after waking up. These tips can help you avoid similar tragedies and maintain optimal health. One crucial habit elderly individuals must avoid is engaging in strenuous activities before eating breakfast. When we wake up, our bodies are still transitioning from a state of rest to activity. Exerting yourself right away, especially on an empty stomach, can lead to serious consequences. In the morning, the body has lower energy reserves, and pushing it too hard without fuel can result in an elevated heart rate and blood pressure. For seniors, whose cardiovascular systems are less adaptable, this significantly increases the risk of stroke. Additionally, upon waking, the body releases adrenaline to jumpstart the nervous and cardiovascular systems, naturally raising blood pressure. Strenuous activities during this vulnerable period can rupture plaques in blood vessels, leading to potentially fatal events. What should you do instead? Take it slow. Begin your day with light activities like stretching or gentle walking. Prepare a simple, nutritious breakfast to fuel your body before engaging in any physically demanding tasks. Gentle exercises such as Tai Chi are also excellent options. They not only promote flexibility but also ensure your heart stays safe. Another important habit to avoid is rushing to stand up immediately after waking. Many people, driven by the desire to start their day quickly, tend to jump out of bed the moment their alarm goes off. However, for elderly individuals, this can be a risky move. When we sleep, our bodies are in a state of rest. Heart rate slows down, blood pressure drops, and various bodily systems operate at a reduced pace. Upon waking, the body needs time to recalibrate these parameters. Standing up too quickly can disrupt this adjustment period, potentially causing dizziness, loss of balance, or fainting. For older adults with less resilient cardiovascular and nervous systems, a sudden change in position can result in postural hypotension, a condition where blood pressure drops sharply upon standing. This can lead to lightheadedness, dizziness, or even falls. Additionally, the joints and spine may not be fully prepared for movement, increasing the risk of back pain, muscle strain, or spinal injuries. What should you do instead? After waking, take a moment to lie still in bed for 1 to 2 minutes. Use this time to stretch gently and move your limbs to stimulate blood circulation. Gradually, sit up on the edge of the bed, allowing your body to stabilize before standing up fully. These small steps can significantly reduce the risk of falls or injuries, ensuring a safer start to your day. A seemingly simple habit that poses serious risks for the elderly is straining too much while using the bathroom, particularly in the morning. After a night of digestion and metabolism, many people feel the urge to use the bathroom shortly after waking. However, excessive straining during this process can have dangerous consequences. When you strain excessively, the pressure inside the chest cavity increases. This reduces blood flow back to the heart, potentially leading to insufficient blood supply to the brain. For elderly individuals with weaker cardiovascular systems, this can cause dizziness, fainting, or even trigger a heart attack or stroke. Straining can also increase pressure in the blood vessels, particularly in the brain and abdomen, potentially causing complications like hemorrhagic strokes or gastrointestinal issues. What should you do instead? Adopt a comfortable, relaxed posture while using the bathroom. Avoid forcing your body unnecessarily. If you experience difficulty, consider adjusting your diet by including more fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Drink plenty of water to improve digestion and ease bowel movements. Importantly, resist the urge to take your phone or books into the bathroom. Prolonged sitting can put additional pressure on blood vessels in the lower body, leading to other complications over time. From how we wake up to how we move and even use the bathroom, small morning habits can have a profound effect on our health, especially for the elderly. By taking these precautions, you can help reduce the risks of serious health issues and ensure a safer, healthier routine for yourself or your loved ones. If you're still with us, comment 2 below to let us know you're finding these lessons valuable. Filial piety is a cornerstone of many cultures, especially in the East, symbolizing the greatest joy and a profound sense of responsibility toward parents and ancestors. It goes beyond emotional attachment, reflecting a blend of respect, duty, and the desire to honor familial bonds. By actively teaching the value of filial piety, older generations lay a strong foundation for a harmonious family dynamic. This practice isn't limited to caregiving during times of need. It includes nurturing family ties, treating siblings and relatives with kindness, and fostering respect within the family unit. Such lessons instill in children a deep understanding of compassion, empathy, and the importance of mutual support, values that shape their relationships within the family and beyond. A harmonious family environment rooted in these principles becomes the bedrock for children's growth and emotional development. While financial resources address immediate needs, they cannot substitute for the enduring legacy of moral values, wisdom, and the teachings of filial piety. These foundational elements empower children to build meaningful lives, contributing to a future of stability, peace, and prosperity. As couples age, the dynamics of their relationships often shift, bringing new challenges to the forefront. Many women over 60 begin to feel a growing emotional distance from their husbands, stemming from unmet expectations, lifestyle differences, and unresolved tensions that have accumulated over the years. The strain of small faults, what seemed trivial during youth, like forgetting chores or being inattentive, can become sources of frustration in later years. Physical and mental fatigue often amplify these irritations, making them harder to overlook. For many women, these minor annoyances symbolize a deeper imbalance in the partnership, creating emotional distance. Expectations versus reality. Marriage often begins with hopes of shared joy and mutual support, particularly in old age. Yet, the reality for many women is a growing sense of being unsupported or unacknowledged by their husbands. This gap between expectation and reality fosters disappointment and emotional exhaustion. Health and lifestyle challenges. Health issues and lifestyle habits can further strain relationships. Unhealthy habits like smoking or neglecting physical well-being not only impact the individual but also burden their partner. Meanwhile, daily routines, such as excessive screen time or lack of household involvement, can leave wives feeling isolated even when their husbands are physically present. Finding harmony in later years, navigating these challenges requires intentional effort, empathy, and adaptability. Couples must learn to communicate openly, share responsibilities, and prioritize each other's well-being. By fostering mutual understanding and cherishing shared moments, they can transform their relationships, even in the face of life's inevitable changes. As we conclude this discussion, let's reflect on the timeless values of filial piety, the evolving nature of relationships, and the importance of mutual support. What resonated most with you? Share your thoughts in the comments, as your insights could inspire others. If this message touched your heart, consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more enriching content. Together, we can embrace life's lessons and create a legacy of love and understanding for future generations. Thank you for being part of this journey. See you in the next video.